this is Brittany Bly from Pop Shop America. We're going to open the August Craft and Style subscription box here in this video. But first, before we get started with that, I want to show you this new magazine that we just got. I actually haven't opened it yet, so I'm super excited. It's called Simply Lettering. So I'm not sure if you guys are totally obsessed with hand lettering, but it's just so sweet and fun, and everybody's making stuff right now. It's so versatile. There's a million different projects and like different things that you can use with brush lettering and hand lettering. So this magazine called Simply Lettering is brand new. This is the first issue. You can get it at craftstash.co.uk, which is one of my favorite websites, places to shop craft supplies. Craftstash.co.uk specializes in all things paper goods, so this is right up their alley. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. I am super excited to see what's inside. So what's really cool about this, so I have one that I'm going to open right now, but I have the second copy right next to me that we're going to give away for free for one of our VIP rewards members. If you've never heard of that, if you visit popshopamerica.com and you visit the shop, we have a VIP rewards program in which you can get free goods sent to you. We have new deals every week, free printables, free gifts from all kinds of like cool things just like this. And this is going to be one of our giveaways, is a copy of this magazine. We're also going to give away a second issue. The second issue of this magazine comes out in October of 2019, and we'll be giving away an issue of the second one as well. So if you take a look at what's really cool about this is that it's talking about all your supplies. This is a really big thing with brush lettering, hand lettering, is knowing what supplies, what brands are good, what supplies work, what you need. The supplies do all the work with brush lettering. This is not a thing like with brush lettering. You do not have to have like some innate talent and like magic skill to be able to do this. You have to have really great supplies. So I love that they're going in depth on that. And see, we're already starting to get into some techniques and some projects, so that's really fun. This issue includes 21 different projects, all kinds of different things like art printables, gift tags, invitations, all kinds of great stuff. And I love this. This is super cute. I love the color palette. It's super dreamy. And one of my favorite things about this is that it comes with this brush lettering pen set. So this is a really great way to get started and to just feel good about working with lettering. All right, so we've got our brush lettering pens, we've got our magazine, but I just discovered that there's a whole second section. Look at this. It's a completely second piece that comes with this magazine that's a workbook for all of your letters. It goes through the entire alphabet, uppercase, lowercase. This is amazing. Like the texture of this paper is like so glossy. It's perfect for brush lettering. And then if you flip to the back, like this is so dreamy. I love this. You have all kinds of beautiful affirmations and quotes and different styles of lettering, so you can try out more than one technique. This is like, how many pages is this? Like, we're on page 44 right now, in addition to the magazine itself. This is amazing. I'm obsessed with this. Simply Lettering. You gotta get this. So if you want to get this magazine for yourself, visit craftstash.co.uk. It's less than $10 to get this magazine. We'll be giving one away at popshopamerica.com. We're also going to be exploring these projects more in depth on the blog, so visit popshopamerica.com to understand even more about what's inside and how to work with all these different projects.